Alright, so today in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the ball bearings in this clutch. This is a brand new one and I highly recommend changing it right away if you have a CDH engine or a zeda engine, because 99% of these are going to go bad right away, and it's easier if you just change them right away. So that's what I'm doing. This is a brand new clutch. I'm going to be changing the bearings in here with these 1/8 bearings, and I've done this before and they just work really well. So what I'm going to do first is take this apart, and how I'm going to do it is I'm going to put this in a vise like that, and then I'm going to take a socket, put it in the middle here, and I'm just going to hit this. Right in the center like that. That way you don't lose the bearings in this centerpiece. So then there's the race for the bearings. I feel like they didn't put enough bearings in here, so as you can see. Anyways, we're going to take all these bearings out. Come on. Alright, so once you get your bearings out, you can put a little grease on here. You don't want to put too much. Just a very light coat. That's all I'm going to do. And then take your new bearings. These are 1/8 steel bearings I got off eBay. I think it takes 54. I'm not sure. Just buy a big pack and they fit perfectly. This is kind of time consuming, but you just put them in the race. Make sure they're tight. This is way easier to do on a towel. You can get them in there quicker. Kind of learned how to do this the fastest way. Alright, so all the bearings are in there. You can see there's really no gaps. Once they're all in there, it's pretty tight fit, the 1/8 bearings. So what you're going to want to do is pick this up carefully, the race, and then take this gear, put it on like this. Fits perfect. You want to hold pressure on the back of the race so none of the balls fall out. And then, so I bought this pipe adapter, which works perfect. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to set this on here like this, and then I'm going to take this over to the vise. Be careful. Set it on the vise like that. Then I'm going to pick up this piece that I pounded off before, and just kind of check this race, make sure it's good. Now, if you use your clutch and it went bad, you're probably gonna have to sand this race down, and you'll see it on yours. If you don't sand it down, the same thing will happen. Your bearings will fall apart and you'll just have problems. So make sure you sand that down real good. Make it perfectly flat or whatever. So after you're done with that, just set this on here like this. Be careful, and then just pound it on. And that's pretty much it. This pipe, I bought it at Menards, which you could probably buy it at any hardware store. It fits perfectly around there. And yeah, nice and tight. And that's pretty much it. I've done this a couple times now on clutches that have broken, on new clutches, and it seems to be working real well. So I figured I'd make a little video about it. Sorry if the quality or whatever is not the greatest. I just wanted to make a quick video because I know a lot of people are going to have this problem. So that's an easy way to fix it. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.